Good afternoon, guys. Now it's market has closed now. Today is 22nd August 2019. In the afternoon, I posted the video that the recovery that we saw in the market and somewhere here. I posted the video around 12:30, something like that. And then after that, there was a little bit more recovery. But then the selling was intense. As I said, the recovery will not sustain. It went towards this blue line, 100-day exponential moving average, and then again fell. The market crashed today. It is one of the biggest market crash of this year. Market has made a new low for this year itself. This is the lowest point in the year, and this is a very important video that you should watch if you want to learn about stock markets, because uh, these times are not going to come again. These times you might not see very frequently this kind of falls, because after 2000 since 2016 demonetization, there has been no major correction in the market, and this major correction has come after demonetization. Since demonetization, market was rallying one side up. I was not satisfied with the market going up continuously. Even that time I was very cautious, and now the predictions are coming true. Now there is a slowdown in the global economy, there is a slowdown in Indian economy. All over there are possibilities of recession. As you can see, um, recession, I mean recession in US, or a global recession. India, probably there will be only slowdown, not recession. You can see the most impacted was bank Nifty. The banks have crashed like anything today. Even good banks like HDFC Bank. Mid caps have also crashed. Let's see which mid cap stocks. What is mid cap, large cap? There are three categories of shares: large cap, mid cap, and small cap. Any company whose values the value that market value in the sense market capitalization, that is the number of shares into price of shares, that becomes the value of the company. If the company's value is about 20,000 crore, that becomes large cap. Any company between 5,000 to 20,000 crore is called mid cap, that is mid size capitalization. Small capitalization, small value is below 5,000. Any company that is small caps. All these companies except Yes Bank now is a large cap. But let's see, mid cap. Let's see what has happened. Let's check which shares have dropped today. Mid cap corrected 2%, but the most damage was in banks, which was due to HDFC Bank. Now, yesterday Tata Power fell by 6%, but today it rallied by 4.5%. Not many gainers. You can see only six gainers here. But losers, let's see, DHFL, housing finance. As I said, there is some huge issue in real estate. Don't buy any flats as of now. Don't book a flat on loan, because there is going to be a huge problem in real estate. I'll make a video over the weekend. Then Reliance Infra and Lambani Group, RBL, and now I'm sitting on a profit of almost plus 50,000, because RBL I have taken a short. I short sold at 399. Now it is 350. I'm sitting on. I still haven't booked the profit because I feel this can go even below 300. Then Canara Bank, all you can see banks and financial institutions, Bank of India, Manappuram, all these are banks. Then this is construction company, real estate company, then metal companies, again banks, TVS Motor, Sun TV, and again financial institutions. All these are crashing like anything. Stay away from financial institutions for some time at least. Then let's see what happened in Nifty today. Nifty top 50 shares. Almost all are down. Let's check here. It is easy to check here. There have been only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 gainers out of 50, 43 losers. That is huge. 43 companies are negative. So let's now, we can't go through all because of the size of the video. I'll go through major losses. As I said in the afternoon, Bajaj FinServ, it showed a little bit recovery, then again it sold off. I told you it will have a huge selling. Bajaj Finance, it was okay in the morning, but in the evening it went down like anything. It crashed. Then PPCL, same, yesterday we have covered this. I had told yesterday itself it will go to 310. It has reached 310 and then there was a little bit of bounce back. Coal India, we discussed Coal India also. I said it will make a new low. It made a new low today of 177. Then let's see which Eicher Motor. Afternoon I had predicted to stay away from, but I had suggested all the viewers of my video to please stay away from this stock. Then HDFC Bank. So when HDFC and HDFC Bank are sold, that means huge institutional investors or foreign investors are selling their share. How can you confirm that? That data will come in the evening, but today you can immediately go and check the US dollar price during the market as it was increasing like anything, because they sell their shares and move their dollars out of the country, because they get option to invest in some other country. They move their money there, they invest in some company there. So they are booking the profit. They are sitting on huge profits in HDFC Bank. Hero MotoCorp, it also closed. I said in the afternoon itself, it is on its way towards 2,200. Then Indiabull Housing was already down in the morning. It continued to remain in negative. Don't trade in Indiabull Housing Finance for intraday because it shows very wild moves and your stop losses might get triggered. ICICI Bank also went into negative. I will change my opinion. Don't invest in ICICI Bank because it is showing now huge negative pattern. Wait for few days. Let's observe and then I will recommend you whether to invest or not. IndusInd we had covered in the morning. No difference from afternoon as such. It has remained the same. NTPC, don't invest in government companies. ONGC, another government company, don't invest there. Today, Reliance actually had a big impact. Reliance, the drop in Reliance actually dropped Nifty by many points. Sensex has dropped by more than 500 points today. Then SBI, after we made the video, immediately after that the selling started and it crashed below all the supports. Don't buy banks, stay away from them. Only buy after few days. Tata Motors, it was okay in the morning, then again in the afternoon it went down. I told in the afternoon that this will happen. Probably the negativity in the market will continue. Tata Steel again down. Then Yes Bank. In the afternoon, when I was making the video, it was around 61. You can see in the afternoon video, midday video which I had shared, and after that it crashed and went to 53 and then it was back. Please stay away from that. Then Vedanta was a big surprise. It was okay. It was around 1% down, 1 to 2% down, and then there was sudden drop in it. So you can see the selling is across the board. I made profit in Nifty today. I made a profit of, I want to reveal my profit. I made a profit of almost 2 lakh rupees. I made in one trade. I don't want to reveal my profit further than that. So that was my profit. So the misconception that people lose money in falling market is wrong. I actually gained the profit in that. I gained profit in RBL also. I'll show you that. RBL in the afternoon, when I was making video, it was somewhere here, then it rise, then there was again selling. Mark my words, RBL will go below 300. I sold it at around 399, and now when it goes to 300, I will have almost a profit of 1.2 lakhs in that. Now I'm having a profit of 60,000 in that. I have sold M&M also. Morning it was okay. M&M, that is Mahindra and Mahindra, but in the afternoon it also crashed. I have a profit of around 6,000 on that. So that is what is happening. I'll show you the trade in silver. I had shared a video on silver that silver will go to 50,000. Now I'll show you what is happening. Since dollar is getting strong, and rupee is weakening, there is a negative correlation that is happening between the prices in India and prices in US. I'll show you. You go to investing.com, you can see silver is down 1% in US, but in US dollar is getting stronger. So people tend to, dollar is getting stronger in the sense the price of dollar increases compared to other currencies. That means people are investing in dollar because they feel dollar is the safest asset right now. So they start selling other assets, gold and silver, other safe assets, because they feel there might be a recession. So usually what happens, first the dollar becomes strong, and then after a few days again gold and silver become strong. But in usually what happens when there is no currency fluctuation, even silver drops, but silver is not dropping. Actually silver is getting stronger because rupee is getting weak. So people who are invested in rupee, they start buying gold and silver. I'll show you gold price. Gold is back into positive today. It is 0.1% up. So gold is again back in positive. I feel this will continue unless and until there is some action in rupee. RBI is also not buying rupees or selling dollars right now because probably they sold some dollars after the year, some point here after it started crossing 72 rupees per dollar. It sold some dollars, RBI, and it tried to control the panic. So this is like dollar is increasing, it is inversely proportional that rupee value is decreasing. So I would like to end the video by saying that market has closed at a low point. People who trade, please be careful, don't buy now. Probably tomorrow even it will fall even further because the inclination of line is getting steeper and steeper. I have not kept any position for tomorrow. I have cleared everything. I had enough profit for today. I don't want to keep any positions for tomorrow because there might be some volatility, some recovery tomorrow because it's like third day of falling today. But you may never know, it might continue to fall even tomorrow. Okay, but people might get scared. I am sharing only stock markets of falling, but I want to share that when you invest in equities, fall and rise is part of your life. Now, but if you invest in good companies, your losses are not huge. Markets have corrected around 4% in last 3 days, but I have lost only like 1.5% or something. So I have again bought Aarti Industries shares even more today. I had bought Inger Rand also more today. You will actually observe, you keep on following my videos, please, and then you will see, you will learn, and then you will see also these companies. When you invest in good quality companies, the prices start to rise again and you gain profit. So I'll keep on sharing this with you, and I hope that you learn something from it. Thank you. Good night.